Accidentally deleted your important Apple Notes on your iPhone? Don't worry. In just a few simple steps, we'll show you how to recover your deleted notes on iPhone. But before we get started, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Recovering deleted notes on an iPhone is often possible, depending on where they were stored and how they were deleted. To retrieve deleted notes from recently deleted, open Notes app and go to the Folders view. Click on Recently Deleted. If deleted notes available here, then simply do left slide on Notes and choose desired folder to recover. Do the same process for all notes. That's it. Please keep in mind that this note's only available in the recently deleted folder within 30 days from deletion. After that it will be deleted permanently. iCloud Backup can help you to restore deleted notes, but using default method you need to erase and restore iPhone. Don't worry, because we have an ultimate tool for your iPhone. Download and install Tenorshare UltData for iPhone data recovery. Open it and choose Recover deleted data from iCloud. This function supports to recover the data that has been synced to iCloud. On the login page, please sign in to iCloud with your Apple ID. On the main data type screen, select the desired data types you want to restore. In our case, we'll choose only notes and hit scan. After that, the program will start downloading the data to your system. Wait for the scanning to be complete. Also, you can view the displayed data during the process of downloading. After the scan, now select the desired data you want to recover and simply click Recover to PC. That's it. You can also try iTunes data recovery using Tenorshare UltData, but this method will only work if you have backed your device earlier. Let me show you how to do that. Open UltData and choose Recover Data from iTunes. With this function you can scan and preview your backup data from iTunes. In the next page, choose your desired backup using device name, backup date, model or size. Finally click Next and then select the iTunes backup file you want to restore, select Notes and click on Scan. Wait for the scanning to be done. On the result page, select files you need and click Recover to PC. Tenorshare UltData also support to recover deleted notes without backup. Here's how to recover it. Launch UltData and select iPhone, iPad data recovery option. Connect your iPhone to the system using a USB cable and tap on Trust when you got prompt and screen. The program will detect your iOS device automatically if it is connected and trusted. In the next screen, choose desired data types you want to recover. We will choose only notes and hit Scan button. On your phone, enter a passcode to start scanning. After the scanning, choose the desired notes files you want to recover and finally hit Recover to PC. That's how you can use Tenorshare UltData to recover deleted notes using various methods. Hopefully, you are able to recover deleted notes on iPhone using the above methods. We strongly recommend you try Tenorshare UltData for iPhone. Subscribe to our channel if you want more useful tips. See you next time.